All right, folks, it's that time of year. The mice and the rats come from the fields or from the streets, and they start coming to your house to get inside so they can get warm and toasty with you all winter. Well, that's something I don't like, and I'm sure you don't like either. So it's time to talk about what I've been using for years, which is the TOMCAT traps. Okay, the mice, which comes in a 4-pack. It's a little under $8 at Lowe's. And then you have the big one here that only comes one in a container, and it's a little under $11. But this is really good for large mice and rats. So you're gonna need to probably get 1 or 2 of these for inside or outside your garage or somewhere on your perimeter to make sure that you kill them before they come in. But these I put in the garage and I put up in the attic. And also the main killer here is the sticky traps. I go through a bunch of these, so I would recommend at least buy a couple of boxes. I usually buy 10. That's how many I buy. And I'll put them up in the attic. And I usually get these are the TOMCAT ones. They're a little bit small because they're supposed to tear in the middle, and they come in a 4-pack. And I have to use them as 2 because they just don't catch enough. I did have a fresh kill, but unfortunately my wife said it was not nice to show that on video, so I'm not doing it. So we'll stop right there and just continue on with the video. I'm using this one here connected still without separating it because I need to put the peanut butter in the middle so they can come in and get stuck. And they get really stuck really well in these type of traps. But the better one is the Ultra Kill, and I have it up in the attic. And it's a little bit longer and a little bit thinner, but you put that peanut butter right in the middle and they get right in there. You can hear them scurrying around, and the Ultra Kill just seems to grab them like that. So I really like the Ultra Kill product, and I'll leave a link on the bottom to where to in Lowe's to get all these and where to order them online if you have to. But still, to finish this up, I also am going to add a link there for TOMCAT of trap placement stickies and the baits stations, because it's very important to know where to put these. I put them in the corners of my garage, sometimes by the opening of a door or the slide door or the garage door. I'll put them on the right and left side. And in the attic, I usually put them by the furnace. For some reason that puts out heat, so they like to get near your furnace for your heater, and put it near there. But they're going to tell you in the video how to place them the way TOMCAT does it, and I'd like you to look at those links also that I attached there with it. So, works for me. Good luck, God bless, and have a good winter without these nasty guys in your attic.